The Excelimage 60-inch projector screen offers a wide 16 by 9 image area that stays impressively flat so movies and presentations look crisp and evenly focused. Its aluminum frame and tensioned tube design work with the tripod stand to keep the screen stable even when you are using it outside in light breezes. Despite the solid construction, the screen is surprisingly light in weight and compact when packed, making it practical to carry between rooms or take to a friend's house. Assembly is straightforward and quick, with clearly matched parts that let you go from bag to ready to watch in only a few simple steps. The viewing angle is generous enough that people seated off to the sides still see a bright, clear picture, which is ideal for family movie nights or backyard gatherings. Overall, this screen delivers a balanced mix of portability, stability, and image quality that suits casual home cinema use as well as occasional office or classroom duty.